Good day, everyone. This is Rodeline, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. And for today, we will discuss the field care plan na ER Vantage Plus 80 for adults. Okay? So again, this is a single-use healthcare plan that provides a coverage up to what? 80,000. Pasok po dito yung emergency care and hospitalization na po yan ha. With for our purpose of viral bacterial illnesses, treatment injuries, and resulting from accident, except po yung stroke. Okay, just to be clear. And this is designated for a 500 hospital accredited by PhilCare. Now, how much would it be? It's 1,750 lang po. Ayan. Okay? So, who are the eligible to get this plan? Ages 18 to 65 years old. And this is a 1 year upon activation date validity. Okay? So, kapag nag-register today, mag-antay ng 7 days and tsaka po ma-activate or activated naman na actually yung plan. Is just so after 7 days, tsaka nyo lang po, kumbaga like for example, nagkaroon ng accident, tsaka lang po siya pwede magamit. Okay? Now, the certificate of coverage is non-transferable once you are activated or registered for a one person na pinangalan nyo po doon sa taong yon, siya lang po ang pwedeng makagamit doon. So, the benefit coverage of this plan is outpatient, as mentioned earlier, with an emergency and etong kinagandahan, may hospitalization care benefit na rin siya. Again, just to clear, this is a one-time coverage up to 80,000 for viral bacterial illnesses, treatment, injuries resulting from accident, except from stroke. Okay? So, just to be clear din po, exclude po, hindi po kasama dito yung mga hospital na babanggitin natin. So, wag mo pong itakbo si patient dito. Sa Makati Medical Center, St. Luke's, MAPA-QC or Global, Asian Hospital, The Medical City, The Cardinal Santos, Manila Adventist, Notre Dame Hospital, and Philippine Orthopedic Institute. So, the coverage is inclusive of the following. Okay? Kasama po dun sa 80,000 for the room and board, regular private room na po ito ha. Doctor's fee, laboratory and diagnostic procedures, special modalities treatment as medical necessary during the ER confinement. Subject po nito is 5,000 inner limits. Okay? So, medicines, except vaccines as medically necessary during the ER. Confinement, except for cases declared as non-convertible, standard inner limits. So, diagnosis and therapeutic procedures are medically necessary during the ER confinement, if there will be. So, emergency cases are sudden, unexpected onset illness or injury which is at the time of contract reasonably appeared as having the potential causing of immediate disability and death. Okay, so severe pain, discomfort, yan po yung pwede nating ma-declare as emergency case. Including and not limited for the following: massive bleeding, ayan, acute appendicitis, kasama rin po yan, fracture, multiple injuries secondary to accidents, ayan, convulsions, ayan, yung mataas na lagnat, illness and conditions resulting of moderate and severe dehydrations, kasama rin po yan, diarrhea and fever, ayan, syncon, and pre-existing conditions, those conditions under general exclusions of PhilCare not covered. So, other additional benefit, this benefit is provided by third-party insurance provider. Meron din po tayong 50,000 and this would be up pertaining 50,000 only. Okay? So, client may examine the cancel this health plan within the period of 15 days. Thus, hindi pa po nagagamit. Pwede po kayong mag-refund or hindi nyo po ituloy yung plan. It's just so, kapag nagamit na siya, well, of course, hindi na po ninyo pwedeng i-refund yon. Alright? So, the certificate of coverage would be and shall be terminated thereafter kung sakaling magamit naman po. And if the refund will be according to the PhilCare terminations policy, pwede po kayo mag-send ng email here and to here. Okay? So, availing this procedure, if there will be a case, simply present your COC together with your valid ID. So, yung COC, ito yung plan natin to the emergency room, personal or identified field care accredited hospital only lang po ang pwede niyong puntahan. Now, the field care accredited hospital will be included to this video po dun sa description section. May link po tayo doon. ER personnel with facilities approval of your availment through reaching our contact center, and they will be verify your membership eligibility. So, meaning po nito, check po nila yung coverage po. Once approval has been provided, request for automatic, any procedure will be dun lang po sa ating mainly contact service na PhilCare. Okay? Now, terms and conditions by buying registrations of alien products certified. Kapag gusto niyo na pong bilhin, basahin po lahat ito ha. Kasi this will be a proof of hereby you authorize the filter to be file an investigation declaring your information. Wala po tayo dapat itatago. Okay? So that's the pinaka-purpose ng plan na to is for emergency purposes and hospitalization. Okay? So, if there will be a cases like tinatawag nating other concern, let me know po. Okay? And if you have questions, ayan, send me a message to my Viber and WhatsApp. It's important na discuss nyo sa akin yung health conditions ninyo. Alright? So that I could help and assist you with applying for this plan. Alright? Again, this is Rodeline, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. And if you have any questions, again, don't hesitate na magtanong. Write down the questions also in the comment section. Okay? Good day. Thank you for watching.